There is there is a there is a rectangle. This is question number 42, right? There is a rectangle ABCD. This is a rectangle ABCD. A, B, C and D. अब ये कह रहा है कि ABCD जिसमें AB is 10 and AB is 10 centimeter and BC is 8 centimeter. Fine. And HAD. There is a triangle HAD are equilateral triangle. HAD, and this is what? Which triangle? This is triangle F. So a rectangle ABCD where AB is 10 centimeter and BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Triangle HAD and triangle BFC are equilateral triangles. So their sides are equal. This is 8, this is 8, this is 8. And it will also have 8. It is also having 8. And there is an isosceles triangle, right? And then there is DGC. DGC and ABE. These are triangle DGC and triangle AEB, right angled isosceles triangles. Getting? This is now what? Find the area of the shaded region and the perimeter of the figure. Good. This is what? If I say this is x, this is x. So in triangle, this will also x, this will also x. In triangle AEB, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square, hypotenuse opposite to the right angle, AB square is equal to AE square plus B square. So AB is 10 square is equal to x square plus x square. It becomes 100 is equal to 2x square. It becomes 50. So we get x is equal to, so we get x square is equal to 50, taking root over both sides. So x is equal to 5 root 2, right? X is equal to 5 root 2, right? So this is 5 root 2. Oh, 5 root 2, 5 root 2, 5 root 2 and 5 root 2. Okay. Now, if we get the perimeter, oh, if we get perimeter, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 5 root 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 8. It is 20 plus 32. Oh, 5 times 4 becomes 20. So 20 root 2 plus 32. So we can say, if we take this is centimeter, or we can take 4 as a common, it becomes 8 plus 5 root 2 centimeter. This is the perimeter we have. Perimeter. Okay. This much we have. Now area of shaded region. Area of this whole shaded region you know, no, it will not help. Area of triangle will be what? Area of rectangle eight into 10 becomes 80 centimeter square. Here area triangle area isosceles triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height, मतलब 5 root 2 into, oh yeah, it's 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. So this is how much? 1 by 2 into 25 into 2 2 or 2 cancel, it becomes 25 centimeter square. So this is of 25 centimeter square. Similarly, this will also be of 25 centimeter square. Now, area equilateral triangle. Area equilateral triangle is a square root 3 by 4. Right?
Yeah.
So it is 8 square root 3 upon 4. It becomes 64 root 3 upon 4. It becomes 16. So it is 16 root 3 centimeter square. This will also have 16 root 3 centimeter square. Now total area of the figure is equal to 80 plus 25 plus 25 50 plus 16 into 6 16 plus 16 32 root 3. It becomes how much? 130 plus 32 root 3. So we have taken what? If you take 2 as a common, it becomes 65 plus 16 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region, or we can say area of shaded region. Shaded region is equal to 2 bracket 65 plus 16 root 3 centimeter square. Let me check. Oh. It is correct. Area is given you this much. This is 132 130 plus 32 centimeter square. This is area, and the perimeter is this 4 bracket. I did 4. We have taken 4 as a common. 8 plus 5 root 2. 8 plus 5 root 2 centimeter. This is it.